dialed is not in service at this time.
Titanic is preparing for its first voyage from England across the Atlantic to New York. Its 2,200 passengers include 10 millionaires, the richest of the rich. But late on the night of April 14th, 1912, the Titanic hits an iceberg. There are not nearly enough lifeboats. More than 1,500 people are drowned. 713 are rescued.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
73 years after that tragedy, a team of American and French scientists reports that the wreck of the Titanic has been found. They found the Titanic more than 2 miles down in total darkness. They say most of it is in one piece. They intend to leave this grave site undisturbed, but others may be attracted by the diamonds and other treasures that are believed to have gone down with the ship.